Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we are trying this cold coffee cake. Let's see how to make this tres leches coffee cake. Into a bowl add in some condensed milk. Into that add in some milk, vegetable oil and some coffee powder. Mix this really well. Now let's add in the dry ingredients. Some powdered sugar, all-purpose flour, baking powder and baking soda. Sift this and add it into the wet mixture. Mix it and combine the wet and dry ingredients really well. Once everything is well mixed in, and if you feel the cake batter is thick, you can add a bit more milk and mix it. Now add some vinegar and mix the cake batter. Now the coffee cake batter is ready. Pour this into a cake tin. Here I've used a glass bowl for baking, and you have to bake this in a 180-degree preheated oven for 30 to 40 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. And while the cake is baking, let's whip up some cream. So take some chilled whipping cream in a bowl and start blending it. In between, add some powdered sugar, or you can use condensed milk, and whip it up till you get stiff peaks. And once it is ready, you can refrigerate till the cake gets baked. Now let's make some cold coffee. So into some chilled evaporated milk, add some sugar and instant coffee powder. Now instead of sugar, you can use condensed milk as well. Now our cake has baked perfectly. Demold it from the cake tin. Here I'm removing the top crust part from the cake so that the cold coffee can easily get absorbed. You can place the cake back into the cake tin or take any other bowl and prick it using a fork and pour the cold coffee all over the cake. Now place this in refrigerator for 1 hour. And after 1 hour, when you take it out, you can see all the cold coffee is nicely absorbed into the cake. Now add some whipping cream on top and level it. And here I'm adding some chocolate ganache on top of the whipped cream. And if you want, you can serve it right away or refrigerate it for some more hours, and your chilled cold coffee tres leches cake is ready. And just before serving, pour the cold coffee around the cake. And you can see how moist this cake is. It is so delicious. Definitely try it out and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.